All right, we're at Hunting Island State Park with Layla. All right, we're gonna check out this bougie tent we got this time. Let's see what we got going on in here. It's hard to get in here. All right. Got a queen size mattress. We got some lights that are gonna be on this later. That's gonna be nice. Big fan. And a whole lot of room.
Oh, God. Did it again.
Layla, you're so pretty. Y'all think she needs to
stay like that?
Let's go look at the beach. What are you doing, pretty girl? Look at that girl. Lord, I can't walk on this. Well, we're at the beach. It sure is.
Look at him.
Layla, it's the ocean. Oh gosh.
Alright, that's enough of that for today.
Wow. This is our tent. Okay, first night in the yurt. It was a pretty good night, but I didn't really sleep that great. But I've got a cup of coffee. I'm about to go check on everybody and see if Layla's up. This place is so nice and peaceful.
Eating those anyways, because you've got maybe
good.
one pancake left.
That do look good.
So it's a little rainy. And it might rain for a little bit. Oh,
This is just barely over the top.
it's fine. There's good. Yeah, we see you, girl.
He's loving that
Well, this is a big difference from yesterday. Whoa. You said this is You said this is a nightmare beach. Okay. You can see the lighthouse over there. Wow. Whoa. The sand dust. Well, the sun came out a little, so we thought we'd try this again, and now the water's even higher. fire going. Okay. Oh boy.
The pokers are on that, where the wood is for the hot dog.
This one is mine. They ain't got none of that nasty pepper on it. Ooh,
Nasty
wait a minute. That's-
Oh my
pepper.
God, the butter's on fire.
Oh my.
Y'all.
Might need to wait for
I'm
that
blaming
to burn
you.
off. Put a hot dog on a stick here.
You got a metal spatula? I need to bring my dang
Juicy burgers.
grilling set so it can actually like smash some burgers.
Layla looking at them burgers.
Somebody's name. Calling her name. Where's the mayonnaise?
Where this came from?
Thing?
That's mine.
This doesn't.
Oh boy.
Look at her. She looks so excited.
Man, she got a huge blob.
Anybody Irish?
Alright. Put it in the toaster.
You must remember, I was in the Navy.
Yeah. You could
Yeah,
like
buddy.
re-crisp up the bread and then I would eat it.
It literally, it's like it dissolved in I had
Little girl.
you have a really nice 2000.
Like, what was he gonna do? Give y'all some free tacos?
Good morning. Come on in, people. It's just me.
Definitely more pictures of this mug.
It's a video. Later. All right, tent is taken down, packed up, and looks like they are doing the same. Cause it's a time to go. All right, bye. Bye.
See ya.
All right, love y'all.
Say.
Bye.
Let's go.